Determine the 5-digit whole number represented in expanded form written in powers of 10. Each place in a place value chart has a value that is 10 times as great as the place value to its right. So ones are a single digit, but 10 of those gets you to your tens. And then 2 more times is hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and so on. So each time we increase by 1. So it's the same thing as saying the ones are times 1, the tens are times 10, the hundreds are 10 times 10, the thousands are 10 times 10 times 10, and so on up the chart, each time increasing by 10. The quicker way to write it is with exponents. So the ones is 10 to the 0 power because we don't have 10, they're singles. And then 10 to the first power is equal to 10. 10 to the second power is 10 times 10. The exponents represent a number that is multiplied by itself the number of times of the exponent. So let's practice with 10 to the third power. It's the same thing as saying 10 times 10 times 10. And to figure out the answer, first we multiply 10 by 10, and that is 100. Then we multiply that by 10, and we get 1,000. And then if we were going to continue, if it was to the fourth power, you would multiply it by another 10. What number has the following expanded form? So they're writing it out as 6 times 10 to the fourth, plus 5 times 10 to the third, plus 8 times 10 to the second, plus 7 times 10 to the first, plus 6 times 10 to the 0. So if we wrote that out the long way, it would be 6 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, and so on. And that's the same thing as saying 6 times 10,000 plus 5 times 1,000 plus 8 times 100 plus 7 times 10 plus 6 times 1. Now we break it down even further to 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 6. And our number is 65,876.